The choice of the new 7 Wonders of Nature started in 2007. People around the world voted to choose them. These are the results.
Halong Bay is a beautiful place in the Gulf of Tonkin in Vietnam. It forms a wonderful seascape of limestone pillars along with more than 1,600 islands. The bay is composed of 3,000 very big limestone islands.
Table Mountain is a beautiful flat-topped mountain in Cape Town in South Africa. It is part of the Table Mountain National Park. The main characteristic of Table Mountain is the level plateau of about 3 kilometers long, edged by magnificent cliffs.
Jeju Island is the largest volcanic island in South Korea. It contains volcanic materials from Mount Halla, the highest mountain in the country. Many of the hills have lava tunnels that give a different aspect to the landscape.
Komodo is one of the 17,508 islands that form Indonesia. The island is the habitat of the Komodo dragon, the largest lizard on Earth. Komodo and other volcanic islands are part of Komodo National Park, and they have a great biodiversity.
Iguazu Falls, or Iguazu Falls, are some of the most beautiful natural waterfalls in the world. Part of them are in Brazil, and part of them are in Argentina. They consist of 275 falls along almost 5 kilometers. The highest one is 82 meters high. The most famous fall is the Devil's Throat.
The Puerto Princesa subterranean river is located in the national park near the city of Puerto Princesa in the Philippines. There is a wonderful cave near the park with impressive forests and wildlife. One interesting fact is that the river flows directly into the sea and that its lower half is influenced by tides.
The Amazon Rainforest, or Amazonia, it's located in Brazil, Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela. It's one of the greatest natural resources in the world. It is called the lungs of our planet and produces about 20% of the Earth's oxygen. The Amazon River crosses the rainforest and gives life to it.